What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And if this is your first time here, you might not know that we've been here on the Camden waterfront in our facility for, I don't know, it's been a couple of years. But as soon as I bought the property, I said I got a whole bunch of sidewalk that I'm going to need to keep clear in the Arctic winters here in the Northeast. I guess that's where we're at. This is the reality. I went out and bought this giant track snowblower from Honda. You're all welcome, because I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to buy this machine, and as soon as I buy this machine, we're probably not going to get a whole bunch of snow. Lo and behold, that's exactly what happened ever since I got it. That meant that I had this snowblower. Look, you can see it. It's got cobwebs on it. Here's the reality. Even though I haven't really needed to use it, I still gotta maintenance it. I gotta store the thing. I gotta make sure that it is potentially ready. I've had to clean the carburetor. Cost me money even though I'm not using it. It's bizarre. That's why I'm done with it. I'm not gonna worry about it. I got a solution for all these maintenance hassles. I have something that will clean the sidewalk, down the bare sidewalk. It doesn't require gasoline. I don't have to worry about cleaning carburetors, and the performance is of a contractor grade piece of snow clearing equipment. Here it is. Power beyond belief. Look at this thing. Fits in this box compared to this monstrosity of a snowblower. If you've been here for a while, you'll know that I'm a general contractor. I'm not a landscaper, but whenever I'm buying tools, I want to buy something that's contractor grade. I want something that offers great performance at the right price for me to do the job. Now, with that being said, I might not be a landscaper, but when I do work around my properties, I want to make sure I'm using the right tools. This snowblower, number one, is much lighter, which means I can move it from place to place more easily, which makes it more versatile. I don't have to clean carbs. I don't have to do any of that. But let's talk about what this piece of equipment can do. This cordless snowblower is as powerful as a gas snowblower. Its peak power technology combines the power of two 56-volt Ego batteries. It's got a high-efficiency brushless motor. It's got 21 inches of clearing width. It will throw snow up to 35 feet, which is huge. I mean, literally, that's on par with this two-stage unit over here. It's got push-button start, which means I don't have to pull the ripcord. And sometimes, if the carburetor's gummed up with that ethanol, this thing won't even start. This has push-button start. I love it. It's got folding handle, which makes it compact to store. Of course, it's weather resistance. It's IPX4 rated. If you're already on the Ego platform, you can buy this blower as bare tool. You can also get it with two 5 amp hour batteries and a rapid charger, or two 7.5 amp hour batteries and a rapid charger, whatever your flavor is. This kit included two 7.5 amp hour batteries. Ego is coming out with 10 amp hour batteries. I don't have any of those yet, but I'm sure I will be getting them soon enough. And here's the reality of the video. We're gonna get this unboxed, we're gonna get it set up. We've been having a pretty mild winter, and we're not gonna be able to clear any snow for you today. But we need to unbox this first so that when we do have snow, I can capture this thing throwing snow 35 feet. So I'm gonna pull out my Yojimbo 2. I wanna see what's going on inside this box. I feel like I hit something with my knife. Good thing is that this Ego snowblower has a robust steel construction, so if I did cut anything, it wasn't anything too crazy. You know, I really decided that I want to get my hands on this unit when we were at the Ego booth at Stafford for 2019. I'm like, wow, this thing's unbelievable. Now I have it. Now I have to get it out of the box. Out of the box comes our rapid charger. We have our two 7.5 amp hour batteries. Then we have our chute. So to get this installed, it looks as though all we're going to have to do is back out these two Allen bolts. So you pull out those bolts, you slide on your chute, then you tighten down your Allen bolts. If you wanted to control at which height the chute throws, it's easily controllable with the handle. Now, once you set that height, as you're throwing your snow, which direction is controlled with this handle here. Pretty cool. It folds over for storage. If you're going to use it, it looks as though you need to tighten down these nuts right here, okay? And then cinch down these bolts. Boom, done, boom. Locked in place. This is a single stage snowblower for some of you that are tuning in, don't know what you're looking at. So this single stage, what it does is it uses this auger. You can see it's a rubber auger. And what this will do is this will contact your cement, concrete, okay, your paved surfaces. It will scrape that surface clear. Then what happens is once it picks up that snow, it throws it out this chute, and then it gets thrown away, up to 35 feet away. Compared to a two-stage unit, which would have augers like this, and then gets picked up by this corkscrew, boom, 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 thrown out. Single-stage units are notorious for being able to clear a sidewalk completely. Whereas these two-stage units, the way they're configured, generally will leave a film of snow. For the amount of snow that we're getting here in the Philadelphia metropolitan region, the Camden waterfront, seems like this makes more sense. To get this thing up and running, all we need to do is install 2 batteries. Wow, look at that. The lights will come on with 1 battery. Look at that. So you can see that variable speed auger. The chute. Depending on that auger speed, will probably help determine the distance that your snow thrower will throw that snow. Now, Mother Nature, if you're listening, can we get some snow, please? And also, for you watching, do you want to see a snow clearing extravaganza with this unit? Do you want to see a TTR where we put it up against the Honda over here? I don't know. Let us know down in the comment section below. Also, do you own the Ego? Have you had a lot of luck with it? I appreciate your feedback. Is there any nuances that you can tell us about? Leave them down below. Also, make sure you smashing the like button. It's not like a mirror. You won't get 7 years of bad luck if you smash the like button. But I have heard you get 7 years of good luck if you do smash it. If you don't smash the like button, or you hit the dislike button, I heard you get 7 years of bad luck. Don't let that happen. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.